Hey, this is CK here with Roughhouse Sports and Cooking. Today we're going to do something to set up for the summer's barbecue season. We are going to address how to light a charcoal grill. Rule 1, don't use lighter fluid. Keep chemicals away from the things you eat. Use a starter cube, put it in a chimney and light it. Let it burn for about 15 minutes. We are addressing this because millennials don't know how to strike a match, and because I heard this, I didn't say this, but I heard, if you only use propane, you are a tourist, and you might as well just go back in and cook in the kitchen. I mean, what's the point, really? I'm going to add some water to the drip pan here. This will help keep the heat down, and that's because it takes more energy to heat and boil water. It also adds moisture to the cook, which is kind of nice. I'm going to place some new charcoals around the old charcoals in the drip pan. I'm now going to add the lit charcoals from the chimney, kind of make a small mound here and spread a little bit out around the drip pan. Now look at the placement I have of the charcoal. I'm only using a little bit, maybe 2, maybe 3 handfuls. That will be enough heat to direct heat my chicken breasts here, and then I'll just move them off there to the side and do indirect heat with the lid on. I'm going to add some purple cauliflower here and do indirect heat and then grill them right on top of the flame for a minute or 2, then indirect heat back and let them warm up.
Right away.
The cool thing about doing charcoal like this is I just have to close the vents, let the oxygen burn out of the tank, and I can use the charcoal again later on for the next cook.